Shazia, and I bring my children here to Van Every Chiropractic. Samaya, and she is almost going to be 5 next month. No, in June.
It's 3 more weeks.
Almost coming up. And my son is
My brother
who is
says
6. And I came here myself. I was very, very sick. I was on 2 sets of antibiotics and could not get rid of this pneumonia type thing that lasted probably a good 3 months, and was very exhausted and at my wit's end. Brought my son and was also having the same kind of cough that just got progressively worse, that I was worried it was turning into asthma for him. We saw results immediately, and I'm so grateful that we came here at the referral from a friend. And Ismail, my son, after his first visit, his cough was gone pretty much, and mine was probably by the second visit completely gone, and I just could not believe it. Then we started bringing my daughter here, Samaya, and bringing her in for some attention issues, hyperactivity, and we're slowly seeing some improvement in that area with her not climbing as much, climbing the furniture, and a little less hyper. That's coming along, and but I can't say enough how much it's helped my overall wellness and feeling more energetic, and just I haven't felt this way since before I had children, so I'm just really, really grateful we found Van Every.